Hey everyone! Did you know that nearly 10% of the US population has diabetes? And breakfast can be a real challenge for many of us living with it. But don't worry, I've got you covered with 6 easy, low-carb breakfast recipes that are perfect for meal prep. Alright, let's jump into the 6 easy diabetic breakfast recipes. First up, we have avocado and egg cups Just slice an avocado in half, remove the pit, scoop a little out, crack an egg into each half, and bake until the egg is set. It's rich in healthy fats and protein. Next, we've got chia seed pudding Mix chia seeds with almond milk, a splash of vanilla, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, it's ready to eat. Top it with some berries for added flavor. Third on the list is our veggie omelet Whisk some eggs, toss in your favorite veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and mushrooms, and cook it up. It's filling and packed with nutrients. Moving on, we have Greek yogurt parfait Use plain Greek yogurt, throw in some nuts and seeds, and a few berries for sweetness. It's a great way to start your day with protein and fiber. Fifth, how about some smoothie bowls Blend up some spinach, avocado, and unsweetened almond milk. Pour it into a bowl, and top with nuts, seeds, and a few slices of fruit. It looks beautiful and tastes amazing. Lastly, we have cottage cheese with cinnamon and nuts Just take some cottage cheese, sprinkle with cinnamon and your favorite nuts, and you've got protein-packed breakfast that's super easy to make. Now, let me share a quick story that really hits home. A friend of mine, who's been struggling with diabetes for years, started meal prepping these recipes. At first, she was skeptical about how much of a difference it would make, but after a couple of weeks, she noticed she had more energy, her blood sugar levels were more stable, and she actually looked forward to breakfast. It became a fun part of her morning routine, and she felt empowered knowing she was taking care of her health. It's amazing how simple changes can have such a positive impact on our lives. So there you have it, 6 easy, low-carb diabetic breakfast recipes that are perfect for meal prep. They're not only healthy but super easy to make, saving you time in the morning while keeping your breakfast delicious. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite diabetic breakfast ideas? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.